people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making sardine bread without an oven, and it's a very quick one, so let's begin. In my bowl I have my lukewarm water, and I'll add in sugar. Next is my yeast. I'll give this a quick stir, so I'm gonna quickly mix everything to combine together, and I'll set this aside for a few minutes, and I'll add in my flour. This flour is already sifted. So I'm gonna mix everything to combine, and I'll go in with my egg, vanilla extract, salt, powdered milk, and I'll be adding the oil from the sardine. I'll use all the oil from the sardine. So this will give it that sardine taste that we want. So I'm gonna mix everything together. So mix everything together to form a dough. I want to use this medium to thank everyone that have supported me in one way or the other. Thank you for always coming to watch me. Thank you for your support, your comment, your share, your like. I am not taking it for granted. Thank you very much for always stopping by. Okay, so I'm gonna knead this for about 15 minutes. So if you have your mixer, your hand mixer, you can go ahead to use your mixer to make it easy. So this is after 15 minutes, and I'll set this aside to double in size. Okay, so next in my bowl I'll be adding in the sardine. Remember, we use the oil from it, so this is without the oil. So I'm gonna put this in a bowl. I'll match this with my fork, and I'll be adding in my bell peppers. It's chopped already, and my onion also. That's my chili flakes, and I'm gonna mix everything to combine together. So all this, we are building up flavor. So when you give this a bite, you will get the taste from inside. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside and we'll go back to our dough. So this is my dough. It has doubled in size, so I'm gonna mix this to remove the air in the dough, and I'll transfer this to my platform. So I'll knead this a bit just to put it together to remove the air, and I'll transfer it to my platform. So I'm gonna be adding some flour to my platform. It's a bit sticky, that's okay. So I'll transfer this to my platform. So with a rolling pin, you flatten it with a rolling pin, or you can also use your hand to flatten it. Okay, thank you. If you've watched until this time, you are a darling. Okay, so I'm gonna be adding in the mixture, what we mixed before, my bell pepper, onion, and the sardine. I'm gonna be transferring it right into my dough. So I'm spreading it with my spoon, and at the end I'm gonna be wrapping it together just the way it is, just the way you see me do. So I'll wrap this and I'll transfer it into my pan. Remember, I'm using a pan for this. You can likewise bake it. Okay, so in my pan I'll allow it to double in size a bit, and that's for like 15 minutes. Let it rest for like 15 minutes, and I'll add in the remaining of my mixture. So I'm going to spread it evenly on the dough and time to bake. So I'm gonna put this on my gas. If you are using oven, go ahead to use your oven. And this is it. I had to use another pan to support it in case my gas increases. Okay, so I'm gonna flip this over. I noticed that that pan was small and I'm transferring it into a bigger pan and I'm flipping it over. So I'm gonna cook this for a few minutes again. Make sure your heat is very low to avoid it burning. Okay, so this is it. It was so easy, so tasty. So without oven, you can also bake your bread. So this is bread without an oven. Okay, so this was so yummy, so soft, and the taste was amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this and you see the inside. It was really soft. Thank you if you've watched until this time. I really appreciate. Thank you for all your effort. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe, join the family, and I will see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.